Thinking about moving from Azure to Microsoft Fabric? But your migration roadmap looks a bit like this?
No problem. Bloomfieldx introduces BloomLink, the smarter way to discover, migrate, and monitor your Azure data ecosystem as you transition to Microsoft Fabric. Your journey begins with discovery. BloomLink securely scans your organization's Azure environment. Databases, storages, Azure Data Factory, Power BI, delivering deep insights in less than a day. From servers and tables to workspaces, datasets, pipelines, and reports, BloomLink uncovers it all across your Azure platform. These insights help you plan your Fabric journey with accurate estimations. No guesswork, just clear, reliable data. Once discovery is complete, you can seamlessly migrate your databases, pipelines, Azure Data Factory, and Power BI assets to their corresponding Microsoft Fabric components. Detailed migration reports can be generated using the BloomLink Reports module for further optimization. BloomLink accelerates your transition to Microsoft Fabric. Smarter, faster, and with complete visibility. Ready to modernize your Azure ecosystem? Let's begin your Fabric journey today with BloomLink. We promise your roadmap will look a lot cleaner than that first one. Contact us to book your personalized demo.